Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how I make fried chicken. And here those are some chicken wings. You have to soak it overnight in some milk. I use 1 cup of low-fat milk and 1 cup of carnation, and also half-cup of vinegar. Put some salt and also some cayenne pepper, and then you just let it soak overnight. It makes it taste really good. It tenderizes the meat, and it's really good. So now I have some flour here and also a little bit of salt and some Old Bay seasoning. You can add any other seasoning. So we're just gonna dredge it in the flour and make sure you shake it. Put it on the side. Same thing. You don't want the excess flour, otherwise it's just gonna burn in in the the oil. I made some last night, just a little bit, maybe like 6, 7 of them. And my husband was sleeping, so I woke him up to eat, and he was mad about it because he was like, "Oh my gosh, this is so good," and you only made a little bit of it. So they were making a lot, so you can be happy. Anyways, this is really, really, really easy, and oh my gosh, it's delicious. Best fried chicken ever. And on this side here, I have some corn oil. So I'm letting it heat up. Okay. We can start adding them. I'm using the glove, that way it's not making any mess, because I hate when this thing gets stuck in my fingers. So we're just adding it. We're gonna put this in the oil bath for like about, I'll say 10 minutes each side, and then we're gonna put it in the oven. The thing that makes it taste really, really crispy and delicious is to add some butter. It's gonna taste like you're eating bread. It's really, really good. So we're just gonna let it cook and put it in the oven. All right, guys. Check my blog, believe-weddingplanner.blogspot.com. Thanks for watching. Alright, guys, as you can see, the chicken was very fresh, so that's why you see some blood coming out. And also, when do you flip it? When it starts to get a golden color like this, that's when you start flipping them. Alright guys, now I'm checking on the chicken wings, and if you can see the excess oil that is, you know, basically drained. I don't know if you can see that. All of that is oil on the side there. Anyways, those are ready. So I'm gonna take them out. They are really crispy and it smells really, really good. I have a plate here. See that? First I fry them, and then after that I put it in the oven for like 10 minutes. So here we go. I also made some salad. I'm gonna eat this with salad, and it's like it's midnight right now, and I'm just hungry. So here I have some lettuce and carrots, cabbage, and all that. So I'm gonna add the tomatoes in there. My husband was sleeping and I was like, babe, come eat. Oh, and I also made some vinegar. The way it was very easy. I just used some red wine, some olive oil, salt, and vinegar. And that's all. So now, just gonna get the salad. Oh, let me taste the chicken. Let's see. Oh, really? Yummy. I'm not sure if you guys can hear the crispiness of it. See, it's very crispy. This is so delicious, guys. You should definitely try this. Thanks for watching. Bye.